Hello everyone and welcome to a Monster Musume Explained video. Today's video is all about the Dragonewts. This video will tie in with both the Monmusu Dragons Explained and Lizardfolk Explained videos. So I will recommend checking out those videos first. I will leave a link to them down in the description below. The Dragonewts are a reptilian demi-human race said to be descended from dragons. Similar to dragons and the other reptilian species in Monmusu, the Dragonewts are cold-blooded beings who can only regulate their body temperature through behavioral means. The scales of a Dragonewt are tough as they are stronger than steel, which allows them to deflect bullets and be immune to most cutting weapons. The scales tend to also catch clothing and also need to be maintained, or otherwise the scales will become rough to touch. And also similar to dragons, Dragonewts have a reverse scale located somewhere on their body. As the name indicates, this scale grows in the reverse direction of the other scales. This scale is also a sensitive or private issue for the Dragonewts, as simply touching the scale is enough to make them docile. While Dragonewts have wings, they cannot fly with these, as they lack the necessary chest muscles and the wings themselves don't have enough surface area. These wings are more built for gliding, and even then, they have to get lucky to achieve that. The Dragonewt tail is also very powerful, but it also prevents them from sleeping on their backs, leading them to sleep on their stomachs. And also, just like the lizardfolk, their tail is detachable, but the Dragonewts keep this a secret due to it being a trait of the low-class reptilian species. The tail tip is also a sensitive erogenous zone similar to llamas and dragons. Dragonewts all usually have large breasts, but there are some exceptions, however. Now, the Dragonewts have two subspecies, that being the Ryujin and the Wyverns. First off are the Ryujins, which is a race that resembles eastern dragons and such. They possess deer-like horns and long tails. Yet unlike Dragonewts, they have no wings, which makes them appear as lizardmen at first glance. They possess an immense vitality and live much longer than humans, up to 10 times the normal human lifespan. Like Dragonewts, their reverse scale is also their weakness. The second subspecies are the Wyverns. Unlike Dragonewts, their arms and wings are one, meaning their wings are large enough to fly instead of gliding. They are much more wild than the Dragonewts and Ryujins and are extremely aggressive. However, it might be because they perhaps resemble harpies, and they are not particularly intelligent and they are easily deceived. Their scales can sometimes be more flexible and less sturdy than Dragonewts. In most media, the Wyverns are considered a subgroup of dragons. And that will be all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Leave your thoughts in the comment section down below, and I will see you in the next one.